So this is going to be hip hinge with a dowel while sitting. So we want to make sure we're trying to make that motion come only from the hips and not from the back. So using something behind just to give you a little extra feedback. Starting at the sacrum, that little space in the low back. You're going to be kind of down the base of the rib cage. Then we want thoracic spine and head. So it doesn't have to be fully everything pressed flat, but we're looking for those main contact points. We're going to try to keep them there the whole time. So you can start, I would start, feet on the ground, shins vertical or feet a little bit behind. And just practicing, can you do that in sitting first? Keep those relationships the same, then press into the ground to come back up. Just get used to having some of that weight in your feet. Now practicing your next step would be, can you then hinge forward and feel that center mass start to shift forward? So then the weight you have to shift it into your feet. The butt will lift off a little bit. Hinge, butt off, and then we're gonna see, can we just kind of hold that there? Feel us in a little bit of a mini squat. Then from there, we're just kind of standing and we're thinking, pushing feet into the ground, pinching the butt. Push, pinch, push, pinch, push, pinch, push, pinch, push, pinch, as we come up standing. So that kind of takes us from a seated hinge to weight shift, weight acceptance, then more of a squat. So sitting, or you can do the same thing standing, especially if you have to like bend over and pick something up. Think about, can we get that same positioning, and then practice and do knees not hyperextended, little, not super, super bent, comfortable. Practicing, can you get that motion come only from the hips, and then use the leg to pull yourself up so you don't have to use back muscles. And now transfer into the almost like you're sitting down, like it's a squat. And that's where we get that push, pinch, push, pinch, push, pinch, push, pinch again.